Nanxing is the biggest manufacturer of panel processing machines from China. They started their business from 1996 and they are represented around 158 countries. Nanxing Beamsaw NPC 330 is having a unique feature. The cutting height is 90 mm, speed of the carriage is 90 meters per minute, return of the carriage is 120 meters per minute, and the motor capacity is 15.5 kilowatt of main motor, and the scoring is 2.2 kilowatt. USP of the machine is 90 mm stock of the board. You can cut 4 or 5 board at a time, and the motor capacity is 15 kilowatt, and the width of the machine is 3300 mm. This beam saw is interlinked with the Hexagon software, cabinet vision. The optimization of software is inbuilt in the beam saw. Compared to other software in the market, it is user-friendly software. It will give from design to the mission where customer can also do their marketing activities and also implement to their mission also. Hexagon cabinet vision software is very much helpful to the customer to understand how to take the cut list and how to take the color of the lamination and all this stuff, and also the fittings. You can do the customization of your drawings and also the cut list. When customer want to invest on the cabinet vision software, the team first help to make them understand whether they can invest on the software or not. Okay, that type of help they take. Afterwards, they will give the online support to the training purpose. Then if anything goes wrong with the software, they will come online and they do the troubleshooting as soon as possible.
For many years now, we here at Cabinet Vision have been working with Nanxing globally on integrating our software with their machines. At the moment, we're here in India and we're integrating with their machines locally, as you can see with the beam saw behind me. We often find it's a very good fit between the two companies because often Nanxing can have complex parts that they need to machine and they need to process a lot of components, and Cabinet Vision is very strong at doing that. Something that is also important to Nanxing's customers is good technical support and service on Cabinet Vision, and that's something that we can offer here, especially in India where we have a local team on the ground. So we look forward to strengthening this partnership even further here in India today.